So when you make ghee, every ghee is different according to the person. A few things which you need to consider. One is the pot. You want to use a heavy bottom pot. Stainless steel is good. You can also use the glazed iron, not the cast iron. But you want heavy bottom pot, and it's all about the stovetop you use. So you want to generally use low settings. So come look here and you'll see here we've got very low and we've got medium. This medium you can do really low. I'm going to put this on, which is going to a simmer mat it's called, and it's going to evenly disperse the heat so it's not just coming in the middle. And I'm going to put it on very low, lowest. I'm going to put the butter in there, cook the ghee. So you're always going to, this is why ghee's, I can't give you a time limit. It's going to be different according to the pot you use, the fire and the fire strength you use.